case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landmark 1979 Pugh v. Holmes case, the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania established a legal precedent that landlords are responsible for providing habitable living conditions for their tenants. This responsibility, known as an implied warranty of habitability, includes provisions for adequate heat, light, plumbing, ventilation, sanitation, and maintenance in residential properties. The case began when tenant Eloise Holmes appealed against her landlord J.C. Pugh, who had filed two separate landlord-tenant actions against her. Holmes argued that Pugh had breached the implied warranty of habitability, which justified her withholding rent. Pugh contested this assertion, claiming that the Rent Withholding Act prohibited courts from recognizing common law solutions to landlord-tenant disputes. However, the court ultimately rejected Pugh's argument and ruled in favor of Holmes. During the trial, the Court of Common Pleas addressed Pugh's preliminary objections to Holmes's defense and determined that her argument lacked legal footing. The higher court's decision led to the establishment that landlords must maintain habitable living conditions in their rental properties, and tenants are allowed to withhold rent in case of breach of warranty. In order to prove breach of warranty, the tenant must demonstrate that they provided notice, allowed a reasonable opportunity for repairs to be made, and that the landlord failed to do so. The court determined that the appropriate method for calculating rent abatement in such cases was the percentage reduction in use method. The case was then remanded to the lower court for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.